Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Remember, guys and gals, this is not financial advice. It's just OG in the house. Express my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So what we're seeing right now, we're seeing that the pre-markets are looking very, very, very fantastic out there. We're seeing the Dow, S&P, and the Nasdaq is up like crazy. So that is pretty good. We're also seeing right now that most of the crypto markets are up like crazy. So we got the Dino in the house, guys. So we're seeing Bitcoin is up. We're seeing Ethereum is up. We're seeing everything is up. So you guys should be feeling pretty bullish out there. So we're going to be talking about, can we see a Bitcoin have a quick recovery to $30,000? We're going to be talking about that and much more. So right now we're seeing that the fear and greed index, even though that the crypto markets are up now, right now, we are seeing that the fear and greed index is down, down. And you know, it's extreme fear. We've been in extreme fear for a very long time. So are you feeling scared out there, guys? Absolutely, are you feeling scared out there? So it is a great time to be alive. Also, too, I just want to give a big shout out to some of the my subscribers. DJ Type 1, thank you, brother. Let's send the OG to the moon, I believe it. And this is from Travis, guys. Travis, one of my huge supporters out there. And also, I want to say a big hello to Dan out there, Eric Hartman, Alex out there, Foxy. You know, she's saying, thanks, OG, for telling the cold hard truth. I appreciate it. I appreciate the whole community out there, and Robert Patterson, and also Streg Hart out there, and Stacy. So the whole community, thank you for the support. I appreciate it. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much out there. So what are we seeing right now? We're seeing that overall the crypto markets right now are uppity up. We're seeing that you know, right now we're up about 1.38%. So that is pretty good. We're seeing that right now Cardano is trending, Bitcoin is trending, and PancakeSwap is trending as well. So it's looking pretty good. We're seeing that most of the crypto markets are up right now, so it's a good time. Things are feeling fantastic. What's coming in? I just thought this was kind of funny. I kind of found this, that Wall Street now below all-time highs. We're seeing that Dow is now down 19%, S&P is down 25%, and the Nasdaq is down 36%, and the Russell is down as well. So you know who this is? Your friend, my friend, you know, Mr. Burns from Simpsons out there taking a selfie with the carnage out there. So guys, don't forget we got a lot of earnings reports that are coming in as well. We're going to talk about that. And also, Justin, Coinbase CEO, says he plans to sell about 2% of his company's holdings over the next year or so. So that's kind of interesting. What is going on out there? A fun fact, less than 5% of the global population is invested in crypto. So it just goes to show that we have a lot of room to grow when it comes to cryptocurrency. And I think that, you know, we're going to be seeing that as we, you know, get into 2025, the next halving, we're going to be seeing more and more people aping into crypto. And we're going to see that the total market cap of crypto is going to be going up like crazy, guys. So it's just a matter of time. I know a lot of you are feeling not so good right now, but there is bullish news. Just in MasterCard to help banks obtain regulatory compliance to offer crypto trading. So that is pretty good. Looks like MasterCard realizes that you know, crypto's here to stay, and they want a piece of the pie, guys. Absolutely want a piece of the pie. That is why MasterCard has been releasing a lot of credit cards out there, or debit cards, that allows you to you know, be backed by crypto out there. So that is pretty good. And we all know that MasterCard, they want a piece of the pie. So they're helping out. They're absolutely helping. So this is bullish. Also, wow, just in inflation reaches 8.9%, the highest it's ever seen in 37 years. What is going on in the Eurozone? What's going on in the UK? It is getting very nasty out there, guys and gals. So let's get it, guys. So this is coming in. Don't forget, we got the huge news, huge article to talk about Bitcoin. Will it hit 30,000, or is it going to be going down down to 14K? So if you want to know, if you want to be in the know, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe. This just coming in from Mustache, and it looks like you know, Bitcoin will experience at least one last major push to the upside. The current buy levels are a gift. So if we see where Bitcoin is right now, and Bitcoin is just, you know, it's below 20, above 19,000. This is an absolute gift out there. It's a great time to be buying, guys. And we could be seeing the next wave up to the 5 wave up to the top side of this whole funnel out there, funnel of love out there. So, you know, I just believe that buying Bitcoin at 19,000 is a gift, absolute gift, guys. We're going to talk about Dogecoin as well. Bitcoin 5 months at most before the big bull run. So based on TA analysts out there, and thank you, brother, for sharing this, we're looking at approximately around about 5 months before we will see the light of day, before we will see that the next bull run. So, you know, and that puts us, you know, October, November, December, January, February, March. Yeah, exactly. you know, end of Q1 next year, we could be seeing ourselves going insane in the membrane. So that is why I still firmly believe that buying Bitcoin at these levels is absolutely a gift. And that's not financial advice, guys. And if you believe that this is a good time to buy Bitcoin, guys, comment. Feed the algorithm. The algorithm's hungry. The algorithm's got the munchies, guys. Feed the algorithm. So it looks like a 14 to 18 month BTC corrective wave continues to develop, guys. So we're seeing that we had all these in 2014. We have all these corrective waves. We're seeing in 2019, and we're seeing it again, guys. And you know, like I said, end of Q1 next year, get ready. Buckle up, because we're going to the moon, guys. So keep on keeping on, and keep in mind we got a ton of earnings coming out this week as well. Netflix, Tesla, IBM, P&G, Snap Incorporated, Nokia, Whirlpool, American Express, Verizon. I mean, we have absolutely a WD-40. Get lubricated with some WD-40 as well. So we got a ton, absolutely a ton out there. So I believe that most of these earnings are probably going to either be flat, slightly, maybe some will be slightly positive, but the rest of it's going to be like pooper span. We all know that Tesla's stock is going to be tanking because their production has been cut, guys. So that is not good news. What is going on with the beloved Doge Woozer right now? So Doge Woozer, the social mentions are down 25%. The Doge lovers out there, what are you guys doing, guys? What are you doing? Come on. And we're seeing social engagements are up slightly right now. We're seeing that the amount of people that are in and out of money when it comes to Dogecoin mint refresh happening. We're seeing right now, here it comes, the internet. We're seeing 47% are in the money and 50% are out. So that is not good, guys. We're seeing more and more people losing money. And right now for Dogecoin did break down today. It went down about 0.17% on the 4 hour. But it is trying to fight back and get above this descending channel here. And let me just change this to 1 hour, see what's going on. So I got to look at the charts, guys. I got to look at the charts, right? You know, if I don't look at the charts, I'm not going to be able to tell you what's going on, right? So we are seeing that on the daily right now, Dogecoin is looking bullish. It's up almost like 1%, and it is just at this apex here of the 6-cent support line. And right now we're trading at 0.595. We're just at the apex of the descending channel and the 0.6 cent resistance line. So we need to get above that. We definitely need to get back in this whole channel here between 6.90 and 6 cents. And we were there for quite some time. We kind of dropped into that. We dropped into that zone around about August 26th. So we've been kind of going sideways for quite some time right now. So August, September, and almost half of October. So, you know, Dogecoin needs to giddy on up, and it needs your help. We need your help out there. Let's get the social mentions going right now. If you take a look at Dogecoin, let me give this a minty refresh just to make sure we got all the data, guys. So it is correct. The current price right now, according to CoinMarketCap, is 0.5948. And if you take a look at the market cap right now for Dogecoin, it is below 8 billion, and it's at 7.888 billion in the house. And the volumes are almost neutral out there. It's down a little bit, but it's still Sunday out there in the U.S., guys. So is $174 million. So not too shabby, not too shabby. So what is going on with Bitcoin? Will Bitcoin price climb to 30K, or will the bears push it back down to 14K? You know, is there more pain to come, guys? So a lot of analysts are saying, look, we're going to definitely see a lot of volatility this week. We're going to see a lot of volatility. We're seeing Bitcoin is around about 19,273. And it's had some positive movement, guys. So let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is up right now. It's 19,475 bucks in the house. So that is pretty cool beans. And let me just make this bigger and make it so you guys can see it. So right now Bitcoin is just broken to the upside of this descending channel. So that is pretty good. It bounced off the support of 19,000, and it looks like we're looking good right now. So hopefully we can continue at $19,483. So some analysts are saying that, you know, there's been several characteristic fake outs, so we could be seeing a fake out. I think we're going to be seeing some choppity chop. I believe that the $19,000 level for Bitcoin will be supported, and I don't think we're going to be going much below that. But I believe that we could be seeing a nice, a nice pump up to 21K, guys. There is going to be a lot of volatility this week. We could see volatility to the upside or the downside, but I think that we could probably, make a run for about 21K. So I'm looking forward to seeing 21K coming in this week. After it hits 21K, we'll probably bounce back down to 19K. So guys, keep an eye on that, but definitely we're going to definitely be remaining in this channel between 25K and $19,000. So I believe that, there's 30,000. We could be seeing 30,000 by the year end, guys. So, a popular Twitter trader identified as Alan has discussed at the current market trend mimicking the previous cycles as in 2014, 2018 bearish structure. So, like I said, I'm still looking that maybe at the end of this month we can maybe hopefully get ourselves back up to 30K. But it's pretty unlikely. It's pretty darn tootin' unlikely. I think, the max that we could probably hope for is about 21K, 20 to 21K by the end of this month, guys. So what do you guys think? Well, absolutely, what do you guys think out there? What will be the price of Bitcoin by the end of the month? Go down there, comment, smash the like, subscribe. And if you're watching it the first time, guys, don't forget to subscribe again. And also, super chats. Looks like this. Looks like a heart mark. Go down and get it, guys. And don't forget. OG's tongue tie. I'm getting tongue tied. OG gives himself a red card in the house. Guys, go and share this video. Let's get the message out there. Let's get the views up, guys, because the views are going down. Down. Also coming in, we saw that I talked about the U.S. 10-year bond has risen for 11 straight weeks. And that just goes to show that a lot of traders out there, they are feeling the weakness of the stock markets. Are moving out of high-risk assets and are moving into cash, guys. So cash is king right now on the market. So let's jump into Luna Classic right now. So Luna, at the time when, so this is coming in, they're talking about staking, right? So it looks like all the node operators before, their commissions were 0. And Terra Luna Classic right now, they're now giving 5% commission to all node operators. So that is pretty bullish news out there. If you take a look at the total burn for Terra Luna Classic, we're looking at 19.5 billion out there. So that is pretty good. And if you take a look at the price of Terra Luna Classic, so right now, Terra Luna Classic has been trading sideways for a very long time. And we just seem to be going sideways, and also looks like we are breaking down somewhat. So, that is something that we don't want. We don't want Terra Luna Classic breaking down. And we're seeing that Terra Luna Classic right now is at 26.38. And, and we're seeing the volumes are up about 18% at $235 million, and the market cap is at 1.6 billion. So, guys, we just have to be careful because it looks like, Terra Luna Classic price could be in trouble. We're seeing some weakness out there. And particularly, let me get down here. So Luna decreases below resistance level. So it looks like similar to Luna Classic has completed this whole ABC wave out there. So we had this whole ABC pattern out there, and it's a corrective wave. So, we did see that the Terra Luna Classic October 2nd did hit a high of 0037 out there. But it looks like that in the short term, the Luna Classic is breaking down right now, absolutely breaking down, and we can see this whole ABC wave coming in right now. And this is pretty indicative of more downside action is likely. And if we're not careful, we could see the Luna Classic breaking down, and we could see ourselves probably going down to around 23,999. So we don't want to see that. Hopefully, we'll have some bullish news out there. We also have got the Binance fee burns as well. And then there's also a new tax proposal that's coming out for Terra Luna Classic as well. So we'll have to keep an eye on that one. Absolutely keep an eye on that one. Let's just jump into what's going on with Shibi Weeby right now. So Shibi Weeby right now is slightly up. Let me just make this a little bit bigger out there for all you Shibi Weeby Army fans out there. So Shibi Weeby is also going sideways. We're seeing ourselves going sideways. But luckily, we had this whole descending triangle here that went down as low as 0.956. We did bounce up against that, so that is pretty good. And we are trending sideways. We've been going sideways for quite some time. Expect most of that to be happening until we get some really nice pumpage out there. So I'm still positive for Shiba. It looks like it's breaking to the upside, not to the downside on the 4 hours. So that is pretty good out there. So if we take a look at the price, it's up about 0.65, and we're at 0.001033. The total volumes are down 29%, and the market cap is up as well, 5.6 billion out there. I think that's right. Billion, yeah, billion would it be? That's correct. Let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum right now. Ethereum right now is also going sideways, and it's going sideways between this channel of 1,331 and a support level of 1,268. So it is looking good now. If we zoom in on this time frame here, it is looking good right now. It looks like we could be a beginning of a cup and handle pattern, could be forming on the 4-hour for Ethereum. So hopefully that'll be indicative of a breakout to the upside, guys. So that's all I got. That's absolutely all I got out there. Don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to check out all the linky winkies out there. And guys and gals, don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the merch, gear up the OG gear. So, guys, that's all I got. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Absolutely see you in the next one. Be blessed. Be well. Share this video. Smash the likes. Show some love. I'm out. Peace out.